Hello, look at this. In YouTube, you type system dot and you get some suggestions. In fact, they are search predictions. It means that when people search something on YouTube, which is the second largest search engine after Google, they type system dot and then you have some suggestion, tutorial, review, versus ClickFunnels. So what I did is I took this. So how did I say? I took a screenshot of this, then I use OCR program in order to write it here. So with this SystemeIO tutorial, review, ClickFunnels, I just made short videos for each one. When I say short, you will, I mean, I can show you, but I mean, where are you watching this video? If it's on YouTube, then just look at my other videos near this one, the same date, and you will see. Look, I show you the files here. You know, I made them. It's about 1 minute each. I could go 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but I try to keep them short because I will make them as a short form video for TikTok, YouTube shorts, but also as a landscape. I mean, it doesn't matter. But you see, I made videos with the same name as what is suggested, and I will send them to YouTube with the same name. So I have chances that they will be found by people who search for them. And in the description, I will have my affiliate link to system.io. So I do this work, and then I forget about it. I try to do other things, but this is important to do because at least on your YouTube channel, you will have videos with this title. I don't know if they will be successful or not, but at least they will be there. You will have made some effort. And if you want to do more effort, of course, you can take ones. For instance, when they say system.io blog tutorial, if you see my video, it's ridiculous. No, it's not a tutorial about how to make a blog. I said in my video, in 1 minute, I said, oh, you know, in SystemeIO, you don't need a blog tutorial because it's so easy. You will try it, it's for free, you have a free account, and try it, you will see, you don't need any tutorial, you don't need any help. It's so obvious. That's my video, you know, so it's not a tutorial. But I could make extra effort and show in video how to create a blog in system.io. Very simple blog, tutorial doesn't need to be advanced. So I could do a second video with this title also, and this time it will be a real blog tutorial. But first, do the minimum, and then once you have done the minimum, you can say, oh, I should do more for this and this. And you will be able to see it just by having everything as a short you put on your YouTube channel, and then after a week, you can look at which video has some interest more than the others. And so you can do, okay, I will do a better version of this video, longer one. Takes more time to do because I can see that there is some interest. So that's it for this video, very short, just to show you how you can do in YouTube. When you type, you have a list of suggestions, so use it, not to find what you want to search for, no, to find what other video you could do. So there are other tricks in this YouTube if you really want it, but I mean, already do that, it will be nice. And then after I can show you that, for instance, if you want, here you see it all starts with SystemeIO, but what you can do is to put a sign, @ and you type a, I mean, maybe the @ is not good anymore because now YouTube is using it for other things. So maybe it will be like a star space system.io. And then you see suggestions that have SystemeIO, but at the end or after. So you see how to use SystemeIO. So those videos, I didn't do them yet. How to use SystemeIO for affiliate marketing, very specific. How to create a landing page on SystemeIO. How to install Facebook Pixel on system.io. How to build a landing page with system.io. How to make money with system.io. Jonathan Montaya, SystemeIO. How to create a blog in system.io. So maybe I will use this for my titles of the videos. I don't know. I don't want to get in different direction. First, I do the basics, then the rest. But there are many things to do when you want to do very dirty work, very quick. But then if you want to do better work, that's another story. Like a tutorial, you need to think about it, plan it, and then execute it. So it's not as easy as it sounds, but you can do it. But maybe it will take you 1 hour or 2 hours to do it. But those videos, I did it very quickly, very badly, but it will still work a little bit. That's it for this video, bye.